Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Dialpad sound on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. The Dialpad sound can be loud and disruptive, especially in quiet environments such as offices, libraries, and public places. By turning off the sound helps to maintain a peaceful environment and prevents unnecessary distractions. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Here are the steps. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then click on sound and vibration menu. Well, and then here will appear some settings related to your device sound. Okay, and then to turn off the dial pad sound, you can tap system sound or vibration control option here. And then find the dialing keypad option here. Okay, and then tap on this button like this. And then now the dial pad sound on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off dial pad sound on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.